Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying something a little different. We're going to put ChatGPT 4.0 to the test with some different types of images and see how it handles them. Can it recognize a bear, solve a calculus equation, understand a computer database diagram, and work with an organization chart? Let's jump in and find out. First up, let's kick things off with a picture of a bear. I'm going to upload the image and see how ChatGPT handles it. Can it recognize the bear and tell us some cool facts about it? ChatGPT should be able to identify the bear and give us a little info on its species, habitat, and behavior. Perfect. ChatGPT recognized the bear and even shared some cool bear facts. All right, let's see how good ChatGPT is at math. I've got a calculus equation that I want ChatGPT to solve and find the derivative for. I'm going to upload a picture of the equation. ChatGPT should give us the derivative and explain how it got there. The hard part is looking at the image, figuring out the equation, and then solving the derivative. This might be a bit tricky. What is the derivative of the function at time t? Let's see how ChatGPT handles this. Perfect. The answer is correct. The rate of change of v with respect to t is constant at 14. This means that for every unit increase in t, vv decreases by 14 units. All right, let's see how ChatGPT deals with a different type of challenge, the database relationship diagram. Can it break down the entities and relationships? I'm uploading an image of a database entity relationship diagram. This diagram shows the types of data and how they relate in a database. Let's see if ChatGPT is able to recognize the entities and relationships in the diagram and tell us about the database's structure. Wow, that was impressive. ChatGPT gave a clear explanation of how the database is organized. For the final test, let's see how ChatGPT handles an organization chart. ChatGPT needs to look at the image, understand that it's an organization chart, and find the employee information and reporting structure. This is a pretty tough task. On top of that, we'll ask ChatGPT to put the information into a table that shows the employee info and the reporting structure. And lastly, we'll ask ChatGPT to redraw the organization chart from scratch. Let's see how well ChatGPT does with this challenge. Okay, ChatGPT knows the image is an organization chart. Let's see if it gets the reporting relationships right by asking who Lydia Chance's manager is. Whoa. ChatGPT can tell us about the relationship. Yes, Lydia Chance reports to Tom Allen. Let's ask ChatGPT if it knows the number of workers in this organization. Yes, there are 8 people in this organization according to the chart. Let's ask for more specific information like the phone number of an employee and his or her email address. Correct. Alice Johnson's phone number is 555-3033, and her email is ajohnsoniabc.com. Test passed. According to ChatGPT, when an AI system like ChatGPT looks at an image of an organization chart, it first takes the picture and uses special computer tools to find and read any text, like names and job titles. This is done with a technology called optical character recognition, OCR, which helps the AI see and read the text in the image. Then the AI also looks for lines and shapes that show who is in charge of whom, kind of like figuring out a family tree, but for people at a company. After understanding all these details, the AI puts the information in a neat order, like a list or a new chart, making it easy to see who works where and who reports to whom. This whole process involves some smart computer programs that have learned how to do this from looking at lots of other images before. The final test is to ask ChatGPT to build lists of employee information and the reporting structure, and then to draw an organization chart from scratch. Let's see how ChatGPT fares. ChatGPT built the list of employees, but it is having some difficulties in redrawing the organization chart from scratch. It has bombed out twice already. I'm asking ChatGPT to try regenerating it again. According to ChatGPT, it is really good at working with words, but finds it a bit tricky to make pictures or charts. It's designed to handle text, not to draw things like graphs. While ChatGPT can definitely help figure out what information should go into a chart and how it might look, it doesn't have the tools to draw the chart itself. For that, programs like Excel or Google Sheets are perfect. They're made just for creating charts. Also, turning all that information into a chart can be tough. The AI needs to understand how everything fits together, like who's the boss and who reports to whom in a company. So if you need to make a chart, ChatGPT can help you plan what to put in it, but you'll probably want to use another application to do the actual drawing. It'll do a much better job. What do you think about how ChatGPT 4.0 performed in all the tests? How are you using ChatGPT? I'm sure you've found ways to make ChatGPT work for you. If you like content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI content on this channel. See you and thanks for watching.